Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through an incredibly helpful trick that anyone using Google Sheets needs to know: how to sum only your filtered data. So if you often work with large spreadsheets and you want to add up just the visible rows after applying a filter, this method will make sure you're not including hidden data by accident. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use the subtotal formula so your totals always match what you see. Let's get started. First things first, if you're already signed into your Gmail account, you're actually just a few clicks away from opening up Google Sheets. Look up at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see a grid of 9 little dots. That's the Google Apps button. Go ahead and give that a click. It'll open up a menu full of Google services. From there, simply find and select the Google Sheets icon. This gets you right into Sheets without having to open a new tab or type in a web address, which can save you a bit of time, especially if you're jumping back and forth between your email and your data. Now, once you've got your Google Sheet open, I'll assume you've already got some data you want to work with. Maybe it's a list of sales, budgets, or inventory items. The next thing to do is select all of that data. Just click and drag to highlight the area you're focusing on. It can be easy to miss a row or column if you're in a hurry, so make sure you're capturing everything you want to filter and sum. With your data selected, head up to the toolbar at the top and look for the filter icon. It looks kind of like a funnel. Click that, and you'll notice little filter buttons appear in the header of each column. This is what will let you quickly narrow down your data by any criteria you want, like only looking at a particular region or category. At this point, you'll want to choose where your subtotal is going to appear. I usually pick an empty cell just beneath the column I'm adding up, but you can choose wherever makes sense in your workflow. This is where you'll write your formula to sum only what's visible. Now for the magic ingredient, the subtotal formula. Click into that cell and type equals subtotal 9 E2 E10 and then press enter. Let's break this down for a second. The 9 in the formula tells Google Sheets to sum the numbers, and E2 E10 is just an example of a range you might be using. Make sure you update the range to match your own data. What's so great about subtotal is that it automatically ignores any rows hidden by filters. So whenever you filter your data, that total will update in real time to reflect just the visible numbers. Now to test that it's working, go ahead and try applying a filter. For example, hide a few rows by filtering out a specific value. You'll see right away that your subtotal changes to reflect only the filtered data. This is really handy if you're sharing a report with a team or making decisions based on different categories, because you always know your total is accurate. And there you have it. You've now learned how to sum only filtered data in Google Sheets using the subtotal formula. Wasn't too bad, right? If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.